Hi guys! I finally got my official gallery glass tool set in, and I just kind of opened it up, and then I thought, oh, I gotta show it to you guys what's all in here. And there's actually an extra little piece in here that I didn't realize. There's actually a nice little scraper. And this is going to be so handy, guys, when we're making our window clings. We can definitely don't have to use our nails. We can go and just flick it on the edge with our little scraper here and pick up those window clings and put them on. Alright, so I'm really excited about that. I didn't even know that. I thought it was just this because it was white. I didn't even see it in there. And then there's our little cutter. It's like amazing, definitely. It's brand new, so I gotta kind of pop this open, and then you can, it's got like a safety feature on it, and you can turn it around and pop that back in there. And it's nice because you can get these blades pretty much anywhere, and for shaving and stuff like that. So you can replace the blades as they get dull. And gotta line this up in the middle here. Where are you there? Try to hurry. Doing this for the first time. Alright, and then you pop that closed, and now we can definitely go ahead and trim away any areas that you don't like. Had to try it. Right? I actually finished the design for you guys. I did it again, and there's actually going to be a little video that's going to come and give you more explanation. 3 days before the class, guys. March 19th is when we're going to do it. And I'm going to also send out a PDF with more information and supply lists and some bonus patterns. And I've got little zoomies going on here with Miss Annie running back and forth. And okay, so back to the tool set. I'm getting distracted here. There's also this really cool little spoon in here. I just love it. This is going to be great, guys. If you want to add some more glitter in there, you can definitely pick it up, and maybe carefully we'll have to try that. And definitely we can pick it up, mixing colors, and apply it that way. Got another little stirring stick there to move our paints around, and then the official walnut pick, which has a really nice point on it too, guys, so that'll be very helpful to pop any bubbles and move things around as well. And I'm telling you, I am so glad to get this. I've been kind of just trying to find things to use in place of, and I'm definitely excited about getting this kit, and you guys are going to get one in your kit too, for those who have signed up and ordered the kit, and it'll come before the class. Definitely had a deadline, February 3rd. Anybody who ordered the kit before February 3rd, the kit will come before the class. I'm still taking orders for the kits, guys. If you really want to join us for the class, and you don't mind that the kit's going to be a bit late after the class, you can catch the recording with it, work with it. You'll get your kit after the class. I'm not sure exactly how long, you know, whenever you order, but definitely I can still probably get the kits for you guys. So let me know in your email when you RSVP on my site, or comment down below if you want some more information, and I can always private message you. Alright, can't wait to see you guys. We're going to fill that up in all kinds of different ways of playing with this paint, guys, and more.